Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So, okay, today I want to do a quick, I don't know, shopping list. Okay, let's say add a pretty, pretty nice level. Now we are on the daily, RSI 41, stock RSI oversold. So, could it be a bad idea to get some? Maybe not. Algo, let's see that. About the same situation. Now I think you can see that now we're start to bounce back again. MA 50 level of reaction. Also here I did say no, this is third wave. I believe this is the fourth wave. And if you calculate, okay, we did an A overshooting wave B and a C. And if I take wave A to the wave C, the 1-to-1 ratio was here. Next target is the 1.618. We did reach that level twice. So now we have a lot of fuel now to bounce back. So I believe we should ready to go. Not a bad entry point, maybe. Well, for sure, ideally it was here, but you know, MA50 again there, so not that bad. Ape, but honestly, Ape, yeah, it was. I don't know what happened with Ape. About the same as the other, right? So same situation here. So it's not a bad entry level. I think pretty much all of them, they are about near the MA 50, and their size are, you know, at least below 50 in the RSI, and the stock RSI quite often on the daily they are oversold. So Arbitrum, honestly, it's a strong coin. I think I'm going to get some more. Yesterday I wanted to get some and I forgot. There you go. I did get some Atom yesterday also. What's the reason? Well, the RSI is very low, right? So we are at 41. I do have already Atom, so I just got a little bit more at that level. And what? AVAX, honestly, I mean, now today it's a nice candle. It's proving some power. The bullish people are fighting hard, so they don't want to let go that levels. Once again, MA50 as a support, so that's amazing. And you can see that this was, yeah, if this is the third wave, this is the A, B, C. You can see that. Let me zoom in a little bit. So, like the limit for the fourth wave, it's 32.24. Weak, a little bit lower momentarily. Now we're there. Wave A to wave C. Well, look at that. You know, we did touch perfectly almost the $31. So there you go. Still, I consider that still a nice entry level. And if we do a trend, can we do a trend maybe here like so? Would be better to go on the maybe 4 hours. Let's do that to be more precise. Okay, so until this trend is not broken, we shall continue more lower levels. But now we're fighting again. Let's see if we can do it. Last time, yeah, the stock RSI was yeah, well, kind of a little bit similar. So let's see how it goes. But we have strong. I believe now we have the MA50. We did reach the 1-to-1 ratio, so solid there. Also, we have Axie Infinity. Once again, the same thing, right? So MA50 as a support. We go on the daily. And, you know, stock RSI oversold. And honestly, they're all kind of like that. So you just pick and choose whatever coin you think it's interesting. Yeah, ICP, I just did a video. Yeah, Injective, once again, I'm a chicken. You know, I don't wanna buy price when they are that far from DMA 200. Also, but you know, it wouldn't be an awful entry point. $28 DMA 50. Yeah, actually, that's a lot though. Let me see. I never buy more than 30% up. So now we are exactly 46. Like, yeah, I find, well, here was nice, but I didn't got any. So full disclosure, I have none of injective. I'm going to wait for the 5th wave, and then I'm going to scale in. And what else? Honestly, just pick and choose. Yesterday I took some link. Very happy with that. So yeah, once again, this is the 3rd wave. Maybe it's this A overshooting wave B and doing the C. Are we done with this correction? Not sure. We could go a little bit lower. As you can see, we did reach the 1-to-1 ratio. But since we did the higher high, you know, we did do like a deeper pullback, right? So it could stop here, or it can also go to the 1.618. So that's 11.31, and the maximum for the 4th wave that should go, it's around $11. And if we go maybe on the 4 hours, let's see here, and we draw a trend, and then we can say that well, bigger trend like that. If you go on the 1 hour to time your entry point or possible entry point, once again, not financial advice. So I'm just going to take this these points here. Actually, you know what, just these ones. So short term, we could say maybe that it's already attempting to break. That would explain kind of the retest now. Let me see here. I think before was better. Yeah, so I'm going to just touch this one. So we have 1 touching point, 2 touching point, 3 touching point. Now I zoom in. You can see that we went here, we broke. Now doing a retest maybe, right? And after that maybe we go. Who knows? So that's nice. I've been lucky, very lucky. I got it around $12, 60, 70, something like that. All right, so these, honestly, you know, you just pick and choose. Disappointment of the month, PYTH. I will try to not swear. It's just reckoning my my position. This gentleman here. And well, now how low can you go in the RSI? I believe now it's due for a comeback eventually. So I'm waiting for that. Anyway, this is for long term, so I'm not giving up. That's for you know, 1 year, 1 year and a half in investment plan. So I don't focus on that. Render, honestly, yesterday I did want to get some. I once again, you know, you can only actually, to be honest, I was shopping for a vacation in Cancun. I'm going to leave in next week, and actually I leave for 1 month, so I will be doing a little bit less video, I guess. I will try to still go there online and update the most I can. But yeah, so yesterday I was busy shopping, and for a vacation, exhausting, picking flights, picking hotels. It's I find it's a challenge. All right, so let's go back to the real stuff here. So 4 hours. So if I didn't get any, which is the case, and yeah, so I would say maybe, you know, let me go on the 1 hour. So, you know, a good cue, you know, if you didn't get any and you want to get short term. Why did I do that? I don't understand. Okay, so let me take the full screen also, it's easier. So I'm going to do a trend on the 1 hour. Okay, so I miss out, right? So now I take this trend here, and I can say fine. Now we did break this trend, so that's positive. Now I'm going to wait for a pullback. I don't think the retest now it's happening because we did skyrocket like crazy, but you can see that now the MA50 is acting as a resistance. So what can we do? We can just do a fib retracement of this impulsive movement. Now it would be better if this sits a little bit on the left side. There you go. So chances are that it's going to go and revisit maybe the the 0.5 or the 0.618, ideally, that would be an entry point, for me anyway. So now I'm going to, I don't know what's that, I'm going to take it out. And once again, ideally, we would put a buy order there, and that's it. But in my case, I'm just going to put an alarm here, and yeah. All right, so here we go. So if it does go to 366, then I will get more likely I'm going to put a buy order limit. Rune also, it's reckoning my portfolio a little bit. Hopefully I still have a position because I was on leverage. No, it should be fine. And yeah, now also this is another one. It should be done with this correction. Let me see here. Oh, start to be quite of a long video. Okay, so this another one could be just the A overshooting wave B, and this is the C. So yeah, and we did reach the 1.618 of wave A to wave C, and we're there. This is a previous resistance that becoming support now, and ideally we would have been stopped here, but then now I'm taking just the lower wicks, and it looks like for the moment it's working, but once again we lost the MA50, not great, right? So we want a stronger coins. Rune, it's a little bit weaker because all the others, the strong ones, we are here and the MA50 is there as a support. Here we already broke it and we're reaching the MA 200. So pick and choose your horses. Let's see the RSI on this guy here. Okay, so RSI are also lower, so I'm expecting a rebound, but let's see if it does happen. So once again, is it time to scale in? Well, you know, the only thing we can do now for the moment is just draw a trend. As you can see, it's not that great, I would say. Okay, so we have a few touching points, start to become yeah, a strong trend, right? And now we're there again. So if we break out, maybe we have a chance. So break out, maybe also a retest, and then after we go, very possible. And yesterday I was tempted to get some Solana, but then because, my dear, $85, it was kind of a nice level. But then all the strong coins, they all go near the MA 50. So I'm greedy, and then I do have an order at $80. There you go, a little bit higher than the MA 50. And if it does happen, then I'm very happy to get some for the last ride. And if not, then I don't mind. I'm going to wait for a bigger pullback to scoop in a lot of Solana. So this is pretty much all for the recap overview, a quick overview on the coins. So you just pick and choose whatever coin you think it's, you know, you find it's a good buy now. Tether also a little bit start to be a little bit weaker, not the best, but it's not that crazy. And yeah, the RSI, stock RSI oversold again. RSI start to go into the lower level. So I would say honestly, cannot find a coin that I would say, oh my god, I'm going to buy now and it's going to drop another 50%. Because let's face it, everybody already fell 30, 25, 30, 35%. All right, so red days, don't freak out. Maybe it's shopping time. All right, so this is pretty much all for today, for this recap of the coins that maybe you could not buy. For sure, this is not financial advice. And have a great day. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Bye.